Have you ever felt like the whole world is against you? Like everyone you once trusted has suddenly turned their backs on you? It's a suffocating feeling, isn't it? I've been there. I know how isolating it feels when someone manipulates your reality, twisting your story, poisoning your relationships, and leaving you questioning your worth. Let me tell you a secret. I once let a narcissist control my life. I'll show you how I escaped that trap, and more importantly, how you can too. First, ask yourself this: who am I without the validation of others? Think about it. A narcissist thrives by making you doubt yourself. They weaponize your need for approval and turn it into your greatest vulnerability. But here's the truth: you don't need their approval or anyone else's to define your worth. You are not a reflection of their narrative. When I faced this situation, I made a critical mistake. I tried to fight back by explaining myself to everyone. I wasted hours trying to convince others of my truth, hoping they'd see through the lies. And do you know what happened? I only felt more exhausted and defeated. That's when I realized something crucial. You can't control what others believe. You can only control your response. Here's what you need to do instead. Stop defending yourself. I know this sounds counterintuitive, but every time you try to defend yourself, you feed the narcissist's game. They want you to react. They want to see you struggle. Instead, pause and focus on what you know to be true. Let your actions, not your words, speak for you. Let me ask you this: does the truth stop being true because someone refuses to believe it? Of course not. The truth stands firm, whether others acknowledge it or not. Remind yourself of that. Build your inner fortress. This is where stoicism becomes your greatest ally. Imagine your mind as a fortress. No one can breach its walls unless you let them. Marcus Aurelius once said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Focus on strengthening your inner peace through mindfulness, reflection, and daily affirmations. Here's an exercise. Every morning, repeat to yourself, "I am not defined by others' opinions. I am defined by my actions and character." Say it until you believe it. And identify your circle of trust. In times of conflict, not everyone will see the truth. That's okay. Focus on those who genuinely support you, quality over quantity. Even if your circle shrinks to 1 or 2 people, that's enough. Surround yourself with those who uplift you, not those who amplify the chaos. Master the art of detachment. One of the hardest lessons I learned was to let go of the need to control outcomes. You can't make everyone see your side, and you can't force people to stay loyal. But you can free yourself by detaching from their opinions. The moment you stop seeking external validation, you take back your power. So how do you rise above it all? You stay rooted in your values. You let go of the toxic need to prove yourself. You focus on living with integrity, regardless of what others say. And remember, this storm won't last forever. Narcissists thrive on control, but their influence crumbles when you refuse to engage. Now, I want you to ask yourself, am I ready to reclaim my peace? If the answer is yes, start today. Take one small step toward breaking free from their narrative. Maybe it's journaling your thoughts, reaching out to a trusted friend, or simply sitting in silence and reminding yourself of your strength. You're stronger than you think, and no narcissist, no matter how manipulative, can take that away from you. So stand tall, stay calm, and remember, your truth is unshakable.